Hey, 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 it's Lisa, Fossil Finding Female, and her dog Lulu B. We're up here in this Arroyo, I always have kind of problem saying that. Looking around, trying to get some quiet nature. Today's been one of those days where you just know you got to get out and venture off and see what you can find out in nature. Hope you do the same thing if you can. That's wonderful for you. Today is the 3rd of June, 2024. And I wanted to show you, this is what some of the things I've found so far. This right here looks like it's been worked. This was just really pretty. There's just some really cool stuff. We're gonna go for a little walk. I just figured I'd show you some of these that I've already found. Nice little heart here. Looks like it was used as a tool, possibly. This is a nice big piece. It looks kind of like a bird's head. And Lulu's already tired. It is hot. We got over here in the shade because it is a pretty hot day here in New Mexico. Its desert has its beauty, just like everywhere else. When I first moved here, oh my gosh, I was like, where's the water? There's all the sand and no water. But you learn to deal with it. This one's cool looking. If we could go live, that would be great, but I have to have 1,000 subscribers, which is just really stupid. Probably even more now that all these things are changing. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and that would help us be able to go live so that you can say, right there, get that one. Hope you're having a good day. I'm trying to make my day better than it has been so far. Just to get out, not let your mind get the best of you, or sadness when you lose people that you love so much. It's so strange. Anyway, I just thought instead of being at home today and doing this video, maybe I would do one up here. I never really know if I'll actually do it, but I decided to do it. Hey. Let's see what else we can find up here. I find a lot of these, I think it might be just like some sort of tool they used or something. It's kind of pretty. Kind of pretty. They have a lot of pretty stuff up here, I would say. The problem is if you get too much, you got to carry it down a pretty big hill. Whew, it's a good workout, that's for sure. But sometimes you don't realize it until it's like, oh, I got to put this stuff down. It's too heavy. Find a lot of this. I gotta look and figure out what this is. If you know, please write it in the comments. There's so much of this, probably just slate, probably. I see those mosquitoes going around me. I got my suit on though, my overalls, so hopefully I don't get eaten up too bad. Are the mosquitoes bad where you are? Where are you? Leave it in the comments. Where are you? And do you have really bad mosquitoes? Just curious. It's interesting. They're all so darn interesting. That one's colorful. Ugh. Wow, look at this one. Whoa. I'll keep that one for sure. That one's interesting. The odd ones, the better. The more crazy looking. Ooh, under here. Sorry about that. I can't keep a hold of it. Reach under there and there'll be a snake. Those are cool. So cool. Too cool for school, they say, right? Too cool for school. I sure am sweating, just dripping down. But it's detoxing, baby, detoxing. Ooh, I like that heart. That's a pretty darn good one. I gotta pile them up here. So there's so many, you will lose sight of them unless you make a big pile so I can see them as I move around here. No. Well, there's another nice. Okay, that one right there, maybe. Ooh. Yeah, this is a fun thing to do, except it is pretty darn hot. But just looking at all these cool gems and minerals that are all in this wonderful earth. And so many. Just so many bugs too, boy. See, that looks work too to me. To me though, you know, it's an expert eye, it just kind of looks like. Oops, I'll put that right there. And that one, let's see what these ones are here. That one's kind of nice too. I'd surely like these holy ones that have faces in them. Those are cute. Mighty amazing. Anyway, let's go a little bit further. Sun's going down. But there is definitely a lot to see out here. You can just take a little squat and you can see a lot of beautiful, cool, strange stones out here, rocks. And you can hear the buzz of the bugs. This one's a cool one. Is that cool? Wow. You probably hear that little bug flying. That's a nice one right there. Colors always get my eye. Catch my eye, I should say. Isn't that pretty? Pretty. And then there's a nice big something in there. Very, very interesting. We're working up on that 10 minutes. It sure does go fast. That has got some pretty opalescent light colors in it. This one is interesting too. Let's see if you can see it better. There we go. I just find them all so darn interesting and fun. Look at this strange looking thing. got a strange color to it. Oh, there's a little face on there. That one's cool. This one is too. Yeah, you can just sit in one spot and find all sorts of cool ones. Amazing. Interesting. But I do hope your day has been a good one for you, and hopefully tomorrow will be better, and hopefully mine will be better as well. I thank you for joining me. This is a beautiful one too. I do hope the rest of your day is lovely. God bless, and until next time, hopefully tomorrow, goodbye.